Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create and send an SMS in the staff portal. It's simple. To begin, head over to the navigation menu and click on Communication. Then select SMS and make sure you're under SMS tab. Once there, choose your recipient by clicking on the Staff, Parents, or Students tab, depending on who you need to reach. You can use the search bar to find specific individuals or select recipients directly from the list. Next, type your message into the text box located at the bottom of the screen. Remember to keep an eye on the character limit, as SMS messages have a restricted length. Once your message is complete and you've reviewed it, click the Send button to immediately send your SMS to the selected recipients. To see the messages you've sent, simply click on the SMS log tab within the SMS section. Here, you can review the details of messages you've successfully transmitted. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.